A survey kit or kitting or fulfillment as it relates to survey distribution can range from many different things to a simple mail packet where you have say a number 10 outgoing window that has a cover letter and a survey and a number 9 business reply envelope in it. That's basically kitting in its simplest form when you're doing direct mail surveying. The other, when you start talking about a little bit more complex kitting, that would include multiple components that maybe come from multiple channels or vendors or suppliers. In the case of, say, a medical field kit, where you may have fluid collection devices, you have a survey, you have an instruction booklet, you have different types of components within that medical field survey kit that have all unique ID numbers that have to match so that data, once it's applied or used in the field, comes back to our client or the customer, and they're able to track that information on that kit. If an organization is considering kitting or fulfillment, particularly on a large-scale project, and I'll go back to even just a simple mailed type survey shortly, but on a large complex project, large volume, we're talking about a lot of logistics that need to come into play for putting that specific kit together, managing the distribution. First, it begins with basically managing all of the components that go into that kit. Staging it, having the workspace and the experienced workforce available to be able to accurately put these kits together to even get them ready for distribution. Now, as it relates to just a mailed survey, if somebody wants to do a direct mail piece, we're all familiar with that. It takes a lot of automation and a lot of electronic type tracking to ensure that the pieces inside that mail piece match by the time they get to the recipient, because if they don't match, it can create serious problems in the final outcome of the data for that any specific survey. I think when our clients allow us to complete that portion of a project, that fulfillment, that kitting and that distribution portion of a project, we have a lot of experience in that area. We have a workforce that's experienced. We have the workspace to accommodate efficiently completing these types of projects. Oftentimes these projects require storage. We have storage facilities in our Cerritos, California and Charlotte, North Carolina offices, as well as duplicated fulfillment and kitting capabilities.